Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of the RefWorks Quick Guide. Dealing with citations on a research paper is tedious and saps away at valuable time. RefWorks helps you make quick work of not only sorting and formatting citations, but it also generates a finished bibliography in a variety of citation formats such as APA or MLA. In this lesson, we'll be covering 4 items: viewing citations, editing citations, organizing citations with tags, and creating a bibliography. Let's get started with item 1, viewing citations. Here we have the 3 citations that we downloaded in part 1 of the tutorial. We're currently in the normal view, which has a limited amount of information. Toggle it there to a full view, which shows you more, including abstract tags, which we'll talk about more in a moment, the type of citation that it is, and things like the author and date. You also have the citation view, which is currently set to APA 6th edition. This shows you the citation as it would actually appear in a bibliography or on a reference page of a paper. And it also has reminders or hints as to what it thinks might be missing from a citation. And in the case of this, we see that it thinks that there possibly could be an edition. So this is a book reference, and books often come in editions, and it happens to be the case. This is the 2nd edition of this book. When we downloaded it from the database, it failed to add the edition. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add that in ourselves. Item 2 of our tutorial is editing citations. To do that, we will go back to the full view. We'll click on the little pencil, roll down. Edition field is already there. Add 2nd. Save it, and now an edition is included. We go back to the citation view, we see that has now been added. Okay, item 3 is organizing citations by tags. Tags are great. They're not actually a part of the citation as it'll appear on your paper, but they're more of a method within RefWorks that allows you to sort and label things and help you keep things organized. In this case, we only have 3 citations, but you can imagine if you have 30 or 40 or more, then it quickly becomes much more difficult to keep track of them all. Tags help with that. You can delete and add tags very simply. I like to use tags for things like if I have a long list of citations, but they aren't necessarily going to be, I haven't decided yet what's going to be used in the paper and what's not, I can add things like not used yet, still in process, still under consideration. Helps me keep track of things that I've already added into the paper or I haven't added into the paper. That's a very simple way to use it. Also, when you download the citation from a database, it often comes with tags already added into it that are more related to the subject. You can sort your tags by coming over to the left-hand side and choosing the appropriate tag from the list. So now we've viewed our citations, edited them, and organized them using tags. All that's left is to create our final bibliography. To do that, come up to here at the top, to the quotation marks, create bibliography. We're set to APA 6th edition, and here are your citations formatted and ready to be copied and pasted into your paper. It bears repeating that you'll need to double check that the formatting is correct before you paste it into your paper. That's all for this lesson. In part 3, we'll cover file management features and project sharing in RefWorks. Thanks for watching.